Hello, I like make today rainbow smoothie. What we need for this recipe? First of all, we need 1 cup milk. Any milk will do, skim milk or full cream. 500 gram of vanilla yogurt, any of your choice, or brand. Then we need 1/4 cup of frozen blackberries, 1/4 cup of frozen raspberries, followed by 1/3 cup of frozen blueberries, 1/2 cup of frozen strawberries, 1 kiwi fruit peeled and chopped, then 1/2 cup of finely chopped and drained canned pineapple. I purchased basically pineapple chunks, which was in pineapple juice. It's 227 gram, and it's practically I use entire can. So be aware that 1/2 cup, it's probably you need just a can size of 227 gram. So, and we need 1/2 cup of finely chopped and drained canned peaches. I purchased peaches slices in juice. So what you do is just simply line a plate with a paper towel, and we drain a few peaches. We need 1/2 cup of it. So we just simply take 1/2 cup and arrange on a paper towel to drain. So what we do is next we simply chop them and place on a plate. Smaller pieces chopped are better and faster frozen also. Next step is take baking tray and line with foil. So what we do is we place chopped kiwi, then chopped pineapple, and chopped peaches. Arrange them on a tray in one single line. And what we do is we place in the freezer for 1 hour or until frozen. For the frozen basically berries, if you purchase one of those packs like mixed berries 500 gram, it has all the berries type you need just in one packet, so all mixed ones in one. You don't have to purchase any separate packets. So also this recipe will make 6 glasses of smoothies. It's usually standard glasses, like 250 mils. Mine is much larger, so I will use only 4. It just depends how tall your glasses are and what capacity they have. So also important part, once you blend all the ingredients layer by layer, if you find it that the layers not extremely bright and a little bit faded, so what you do is you just simply use a variety of gel food coloring according the layer we do peach or strawberry to add a small amount. This is of course optional if you only like to do so to bring up a little bit color to smoothie. Now for the first layer, what we need is we need place blackberries, follow raspberries, and we measure 1/3 cup of vanilla yogurt and place in the same bowl. Then we measure 2 tablespoons of milk and pour also in the same bowl. So what we do is next, of course you can use a blender, so blend all ingredients together in a blender a cup. if you don't, like I will use just a simple stick blender because it's a small amount and it's easier to clean bowl and a stick blender every time after use that actually compare to clean a cup of a blender. So what we do is we just simply blend it together. Once we blend it, it's only took few seconds. As you can see, it has already beautiful color, so we do not need add any edible food coloring. So it's so important basically to say, if you prefer your excuse me, if you prefer your smoothie be sweeter, of course you can add sugar of your choice or a little bit honey. It's up to you. Just add in every layer a little bit of sugar or honey to bring up sweetness if you like to do so. So we just simply divided among glasses and a place to create first layer. Once the first layer is being subdivided, place in the freezer while preparing remaining mixture. Next layer it's a blueberry layer. So what we do is we place blueberries into bowl, measure up 1/3 cup of yogurt and add 2 tablespoons of milk. Then we blend it together and divide it among cups. I add a tiny amount of blue gel food coloring to create a little bit more reflect, basically more blue color. So what we do is now we simply pour, or if you like, just a spoon it carefully on top of mixture. And place it back in freezer until we prepare next layer. Next layer it's a kiwi layer. Repeat exactly the same process. 1/3 cup of vanilla yogurt, 2 tablespoons of milk and blend together. Subdivide among glasses. Add a tiny amount of leaf green gel food coloring to bring up a little bit color. Subdivide it among glasses and place back in the freezer while preparing next layer. Next layer is pineapple layer. So we add a frozen pineapple. Repeat again with 1/3 cup of vanilla yogurt and 2 tablespoons of milk. Blend together and divide among cups. Good idea, add a small amount of yellow gel food coloring to create a little bit, bring up color of yellow. Back in the freezer until we prepare next layer. Next layer is a peach layer. Add frozen peach, 1/3 cup of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of milk. Blend together and divide among glasses. If you like, add a tiny amount of orange gel food coloring to bring up color. Just a little bit, just on the tip. If fruit are properly frozen, as you can see, you can get this nice, rich, thick sort of texture of a smoothie and place it on top. So another thing I like to say, if you like your lines to be nice and precise, use a toothpick or similar and just simply go around to make these lines more visible. And now we prepare last layer. It's a strawberry layer. If our fruits are properly frozen, we will achieve a beautiful thick smoothie. So place 1/3 cup of yogurt and add 2 tablespoons of milk. Blend together. Check it color. If you're happy with color, leave it as it is. If not, add tiny amount of gel food coloring.
Once blend last layer strawberry, pour on top, and smoothie is now ready. Simply place straw, and that's how it's look like now. Thank you very much for your time with me today. I hope you like this healthy rainbow smoothie. Everything will be in the description box. Thank you very much for your time with me today. Until next time, goodbye.